We found our home. What am I saying we think? We did, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Charleston! Here we come! Yeah! And we're gonna go look at 3 units. 2 of them are definitely potentials. One is in our price range, but it doesn't have a washer and dryer in it. And then all the other staples that a lot of these don't have, like dishwasher,
countertop,
a lot of countertop space, or any countertop space, and microwave. So we are definitely gonna be going without some things if we're gonna do downtown, and we've decided we are doing downtown. So it's gonna be an adjustment, but this will be a really fun adventure. I'm so excited to see what these look like in person, because here we go. So today is Thursday and it is April 10th, 2025. We have another update on moving. So right now we are, as you can see, driving all the beautiful green trees.
See ya, losers.
Wow. Okay. We are driving to Charleston again. You don't understand. You don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna give you just a little sneak peek of our apartment. Ah! Okay, so here's the kitchen. This is one of the, oh my gosh, it's going so fast. I'm sorry, you guys, we had to make it really fast, but you can see all the stuff, all the things. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, mini vlogs to come.
Those little things.
Yeah, this one didn't have the little like lock thingy on it.
You like the hotel locks?
I do. Listen, King Street, I knew it when I saw the video. That's our new home.
Yes. I'm so glad to hear that.
That's our new home.
It's so beautiful, like in all these little areas nearby. It is, yeah. I've been like driving little laps and it's like, man, it is nice here. Oh.
This is the best part of King Street. I've been educated.
Well, I mean, look right there. Do you know what that is?
What is it?
That's that like long mark.
Oh,
it's literally right here.
No.
Right there. Like the one that goes all the way down and down and down and down.
Yeah.
And down. Yeah. That's the very beginning of it.
This is it.
Yep, Charleston City Market.
This is it, Charleston City Market. You will be our neighbor. Everything. The video that he sent. Basically, it was just so perfect. I saw both of them. That's what took so long.
Yeah.
It's so clean. It's so perfect. We have enough for both of our desks. We have enough for the living room. We have enough for the kitchen. The kitchen does not do, the amount of space that you have doesn't do enough. It's just, the hardest thing will be getting our bed upstairs. That will be it. And he said if you have friends to like lift it, it goes through the beams. The beams are wider than you can see on the video. We will be asking for a microwave. He says that she will more than likely be willing to buy us one.
Yeah.
As well as, I cannot believe Harris Teeter's right there. I cannot believe it. We can literally walk to Harris Teeter. He's gonna go to the beach, like go to the beach. And I'm like, we are beach people, but we can't go to the beach today. We gotta go back. We can't
go to the beach.
We gotta go home.
I gotta be at work at 3 in the morning.
I didn't want to tell him all that, but I really wish that we could go to the beach right now. We're gonna do a little stop into Harris Teeter.
Should we just bibs?
Well, you know I just want to go to the beach. I just want to go to the beach. Look at this. Where is this place at?
This is that park that was right next to the apartments that are above Publix that we tried to go to, and it was closed.
West Edge.
Yeah.
Oh, this is by them. Aren't they lucky? This is cute. Oh, this is cute. This is so exciting. We went to Harris Teeter. This is where we got some strawberries.
Some strawberries.
Yummy! And we also got some baked Cheetos.
For my bed.
Aw, how sweet. Yummy. Oh.
Cheers, babes.
Yay! And we have sandwiches and we have a banana from home. That boat on its slow little sail. I love this. Aww. I love it. I love it. Another boat. I think there's a couple of them out there. Oh, I remember my friend Lindsay in Vegas. She learned how to do rowing as well out in Lake Mead or something. Lake Las Vegas, that's what it was. We found our home. What am I saying we think? We did, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Charleston! Here we come! Yeah! So excited. Look at that gorgeous sunset behind us. Isn't that pretty? It is so pretty. Wow.